Hi, this is Sharon Lim, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And in the new catalog, I got so excited when I saw this set called All Squared Away. And the matching Floral Square dies, and they look like this. And I really wanted to try it on my cube card. So this is, I've done one of these before. They look like this when it's folded down and in the envelope, and when it's opened, it looks like this. So good things grow, like our friendship. The best thing about today is you, and it just stands. So I'll refer to the original video tutorial, but I just wanted to walk through really quick if you just wanted a really quick overview of how to do it. And I did it in a way that you only need to use one piece of 8.5 by 11 card. So you start with a 8.5 by 8 inch, and you score it 2, 4, 6, and 8. So you get this little tab on the side, and then you cut it at 4 and 6, and these are the pieces that you get. And these cards are really quick and easy and simple to do. I use a little tear and tape, and I put it right there at the tab on all 3 pieces. Then I go ahead and fold in all the pieces. Take the release paper off. And the easy way to do it is if you lay this down and line it up, you'll get your cube. So I'll do that again. Fold in, remove the release paper, fold one square down, line it up, press down, got your second cube. Let's do the back one. Remove that release paper. And you can squish it in if it needs to be. Line it up there. And now you have all your 3 pieces. And I try to keep in mind where the seams are. So those are the seams that I put toward the card, and then the seam here, I'll either put it in the back like this, and that's as easy as it is to assemble. So you're just going to put some more tear and tape on the part that you want to attach to the card. Same here. Burnish it really good before you remove the release paper. You can use this to remove it if you'd like. It kind of helps you to take that release paper off. I like to do them both at the same time to make sure that they're all lined up. And to burnish that a little better. And there you go. Alright, so those are the 2 sides that have the adhesive on. You're going to fold this down and just basically line it up so it lays on your card perfectly. And because these are 2-inch squares, they perfectly fit the dies, which are 1 7/8. Aren't those cool? So I do all 4 of the squares, and then I use the additional dies to match up, and you just basically glue these on to where they fit. It's kind of paper piercing, but I love it. So this goes here. You do have to turn the flowers until you find how they actually fit perfectly on the die. Like for example, this one takes a while to figure out where to put. There's a curved one right here that I usually keep track of, and it's usually right. Nope. Let's see if I can do this on camera. Keep turning until it matches. It's getting there. Am I not finding it? There it is. Dun, dun, dun. And then these 3 match on here. And basically that's how you do it. So refer to the video I have. I hope this was a nice and quick and easy video for this lovely cube card. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Be sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to be able to get more tutorials like this, and have a great day. Bye.